So we built the ecosystem as a personal project. And yeah, this was just for fun. This was just for our own project, our own backyard project. We had a pond in our backyard, and we just wanted a simpler way to manage it. And we wanted to plug in all the devices into something that could, put them on a timer, turn on and off, depending if it's like nighttime or daytime or a timer cycle, something like that. And it didn't exist. So we were like, we could build this. Oh yeah.
This is
The old ecosystem. Yeah, this was the first thing I made. This was our first, I wouldn't even call it a product, because we only made the one prototype and we never continued it. Our first take at making products was the ecosystem. It's just a bunch of outlets. It's got 8 outlets, color-coded. So you know what to plug in from where. You know what devices to plug in. This product was made for a pond. You could plug in all your pumps, lights, heaters, fountains, whatever. And this device would control when it turns on, when it turns off, maybe a day-night cycle, timers, things like that. So basically it just controls outlets. Yeah, it's good to see this thing. It's been so long. We made this in 2007, 2008 is when we made this. And it was just a personal project. We had a pond in our backyard, and we just wanted an easy way to manage everything. And this was it. We made it. And it took a long time. Of course, we had to learn engineering first. That wasn't easy. This product inspired all our other products, mostly because this product was a failure. This was a prototype that never went anywhere. And one thing that made it a failure was that it's a complete product. Something you'd buy in the store, packaged, the whole thing. It was tested and government approved and all that. But for a new company, for a new startup company, that's not funded at all. You can't just have a product all of a sudden. I had to build the circuitry inside so many times, and the circuit's quite big. I was so sick of building it to test little things like the temperature or the pH that I just made a little pH circuit so I can test it. And this is actually a good example of it. This is just a very basic, this is one of my first circuits. It's very basic, a BNC we had in our garage. And something like this would read pH. Very basic, not a very good circuit, but it was easier than building the whole system to test pH. Because testing pH in the beginning was hard for us to do. And we knew it was something we wanted. So I made this, not thinking too much about it, but when Jordan saw it, he realized that is a product. That is the product, not this. This is the product. And basically this inspired our newest ESO circuits. Our pH circuit is roughly the same size as this, and everything came out of that. I just wanted a simpler way to test this. I didn't know I'd be making, the future of our company. So yeah, it inspired everything, actually.